So I'm here at Seda Hotel. So I'm checked in at room 314. So ito yung parang business or premier room nila. So they have the mini bar set up, and then they have mini fridge. Okay. And then meron silang parang business type na table. You have the phone, and then the some pad here, and then you have a drawer where you can keep the things. Okay. So tsaka meron din silang table light which is touch. So pag touch mo yan, it will turn on. You touch it and it will turn off. And then you have there a mini living room setup. Ayan. Tapos we have I think this is the queen size or the king size bed. And then you have here the phone, and then side lamps. And then we have a view. This is, I think, a corner room. So you have a view here of the Rotonda area in Atria. Okay. Then of course the other side, since it is a corner room, you have the other window, and then you have the TV right here. So tingnan natin yung view dito. Ayan. So of course makita mo rin yung rotonda dito. And then I think that's McDonald's on the other side, and this one is a new building being constructed right now. So maganda yung view. So from this side you can see the room. I think the aircon is centralized, so once you put in the key, the card key, gagana na lahat kung ano yung naka-ilaw or naka-turn on ng mga ilaw, or TV for instance, gagana na siya, so it will just turn on automatically. And then let's move to the okay, so ito yung parang mini hallway yata na merong safe, yung mga closet, and then yung mga damit na may mga hanger, pwede mong i-hang yung mga damit mo. Ayan. And then your weighing scale, your blow dryer, and then you have there a upright mirror. And then on the left here is the shower. Yeah, so it's a transparent glass door. Yeah. So they don't have the rain shower, but they have the detachable overhead shower. Yeah. And then of course the toiletries. Yeah. And then some water supply. I think this is a spacious room, good enough for 2 persons. So that's it guys for room 314 for the Seda Hotel. So thank you for watching.